Hello viewers, welcome you all back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss Microsoft licenses, types of licenses and their pricing. This video will help you to choose the right license for your purchase, right? And we are into the official Microsoft 365 homepage now. And just for your clarification, Microsoft 365 is nothing but Office 365, and it has been officially renamed to Microsoft 365 few months back. And what is Microsoft 365 and what is the difference between 365 and normal Office license? These are the things we are going to discuss in video, right? Let's jump into the video. And if you look into the major categories, we have four categories of licenses. One is personal and family, second one is business, third one is enterprise, and fourth one is education. So the first topic that we are going to discuss is personal and family license. Okay, so we are in the Microsoft 365 personal and family license homepage. Now if you look into these licenses, first let's speak about the Microsoft 365 license. And under Microsoft 365 license, we have two categories. One is 365 family and 365 personal. We will also discuss on the key differences between each of them, but for now look into the prices. And since I am connecting from Indian region, my prices are appearing in INR. And for family it is 6199, and for personal it's 4899. And family it's for 2 to 6 people, and personal is for only one person usage. And main difference again here it is the cloud storage. The family license gives you 6 terabytes of cloud storage, and personal license gives you 1 terabyte of cloud storage. I find it much more sufficient because I don't have much things to upload in. So I am currently using Microsoft 365 personal license, right? And these are the products that comes up with this license suite: Word, PowerPoint, Excel, then Outlook, and they have recently added Teams as well to this, and then OneDrive. And you also have a editor, and you can use this license for desktop, iPads, mobile, and laptops, right? Apart from these licenses, we have another category, that is Office, Home and Student 2021 license. What's the main difference between this 365 license and the home license? Yes, so I will tell you. It's mainly on the duration, as the number 365 days, 365 says these Microsoft 365 licenses are valid only for 365 days, exactly for 1 year, whereas this Office, Home and Student license is for a lifetime purchase. So anyone might be thinking that instead of purchasing a license for 4899, why can't I go for 9199? But that actually you have a major difference between these two licenses. Even though this license is just for 1 year, you get premium benefits out of this license. What sort of benefits? The 1 terabyte cloud storage, which I have mentioned before. I used to upload all my YouTube videos and take backup of my photos into my cloud storage, whereas this doesn't offer you a cloud storage, 1 terabyte cloud storage. That's one difference. And another key difference is the updates that are getting rolled out. This personal license gives you live updates and keeps your products up to date. For example, if you consider Excel, this license is capable of rolling out all the new features like Lambda function, whereas this license, though it is lifetime license, it doesn't give you any luxury of getting upgraded with the latest features. You will still stay with all the features that you have purchased at the time of 2021 license. So I hope it is clear. Apart from that, it also benefits, this 365 benefits you with the cloud storage and also the cloud based apps like Teams, which you may not be able to avail in the Office Home and Student license. But who can go for this type of student license? As it mentions clearly, if you want to make a purchase especially for Word, PowerPoint, Excel alone, then go for this Office Home and Student license. Otherwise, if you like to explore more things with respect to the Microsoft products, then go for 365 license. I am currently in this tier. I am currently in this 365 personal license. So I hope I am clear with this. Now let's move on to the next category, that is business license. Okay, so we are into the Microsoft business license category, and here we have 4 categories or 4 tiers. If you look into all of them are Microsoft 365 licenses, which means Office doesn't provide, or Microsoft doesn't provide any lifetime license in this category. So Microsoft is currently providing the lifetime license only in the home and student category. They are not encouraging any more lifetime license. I hope it is clear. So even if your offices have licenses that were bought in the year of 2013 or 16, it's all done and dusted. Microsoft completely moved into the subscription process, especially for the business, and this is for the small and medium scale business companies. Let's look into the tiers. We have a basic, standard, premium, and you have a general tier. And how's the paying model? If you look into this, it says rupees 125 per user per month. If your company has 10 employees and if you purchase license for 10 people, then it comes to 1250 rupees per month. So it's per user per month license, and also you can go for an annual commitment where they keep you charging month on month basis, but it will be for an annual period. You can either go for a monthly commitment or for an annual commitment, and the products again vary. In case if you don't need Access or Publisher, you can actually go for this tier. But again, the major difference between the basic and standard is the desktop version. If you expect your users to be using desktop versions of Office apps, then you need to go for the standard license. Or what is the benefit of basic license? Assume you have your company where users are using Excel or PowerPoint majorly on the browser, and also you mainly use this for the purpose of Teams and online meetings, then go for basic. Otherwise, if you expect your users to be using desktop versions, go for standard. And same's the case with premium. Premium gives you almost all the things and including additional security. So normally all the tiers would be coming up with the basic security level, and if you go for the premium license, it's 1440 per user per month, and if you have 10 users, it comes to 14,400, and you will be getting with this additional security features like Intune and Azure Information Protection. Right, I hope it is clear. And this is more of like this general license is more of like a basic tier, but comes up with the desktop version. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then we'll move on to the next category, that is Enterprise Edition. Okay, so the last category that we are going to discuss is Enterprise license. Let's get into this. If you look into Enterprise license, we have just 3 tiers: E3, E5 and F3, and F3 is formerly called as F1. The major difference is E3. Okay, so the price used to be almost double. It says 2305 per user per month, and from what I have seen, E5 licenses 4000 plus or 4500 per user per month. The key difference would be especially on the meeting side. You normally get all the desktop apps which you pay for, that these all things comes with the enterprise license, especially on the meeting side, you would be having certain constraints when it comes to the meeting capacity and all. That's where the E3 and E5 differs. And also on the analytics and security part, E5 gives you everything. I think E5 is almost on the top of all the licenses, and it gives you almost all the premium features, and you also have other premium features. You can also purchase additional premium features wherever you would require. And this 575 per user per month is more like a basic tier even in the enterprise license. Who can go for the enterprise license? The large corporations or company with the capacity of more than hundreds of people, they can definitely go for E3 or E5 license, and it definitely benefits them a lot, and it enables plenty of powerful features for the associates. So I hope you would have understood the power of enterprise license. And now let's head into the last category, that is student license. The last category that we are going to discuss is student category. And keep in mind, Microsoft always wants students to use their product, and they encourage students through plenty of exclusive benefits for the students. And also they provide many devices as well. They will integrate their products with many devices to stay connected with the students. And if you would like to compare the education plans, Microsoft 365 education plans, you have a link here, and if you click on this, you will be opened up with this attachment. If you look into this attachment almost contains all the tiers available for the student license, and also it shows clear indication on which feature is enabled in which license. So you can take a call based on that, and you can go ahead for the student purchase. I think even the big colleges where they enable labs for the students, I hope they will be going for this switch, right? So but keep in mind, always Microsoft enables exclusive benefits for the students, unlike a big corporation or business or even for a personal. I hope this is clear. I will also give link to this PDF in the description box. Make use of that to check which license would be suiting up for you. So please go for the genuine software and don't purchase the cracked versions, or don't download the cracked versions. Please go for the genuine softwares. So stay connected. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.